So the best mouse in the world, I'm not lying, in the world, guys, in the world, is this beauty right here. This for Fortnite, this is even better. The best mouse for gaming right here is the Logitech G502 Hero. Not the ordinary G502 I'm talking about. I'm not talking about that. Or the old G502, the Pro Spectrum. No, this is comes with the latest technology. That's why they renamed it to Logitech G502 Hero. Inspired by Hercules, apparently. But yeah. And you guys want a live demo of it? I'll show you. There is the mouse right here, everybody. The beauty is right here, Logitech G502 Hero. I'm a great fan of this mouse just because, you know, I love Logitech, their product that I picked up 2 of them right here. This is how the box looks, guys. This is how the box looks right here. G502 Hero, as you guys can see. Great mouse from Logitech. I love this mouse. It's got a older brother as well, back from, you know, old days, but still comes with a good sensor, the latest sensor, G402. If you guys have good budget, around like 30 to 50 bucks, highly recommend picking up this beauty right here. It comes with the infinity scroll wheel, so with a click of a button right here, you guys can just like scroll to infinity. Look, just keep going. G5, I love this mouse, and with the click of a button it just becomes the ordinary mouse. Really solid tactile feedback. It comes with the buttons right here, which is the DPI shift button. You guys can all these keys right here on this mouse, on the side right here, these keys, the scroll wheel, it's a button as well. You can plug it, you know, you can click it on the sides like that, you can click it downwards, stuff like that. It's all accessible via the Logitech G Hub software. Trust me, you guys will not be disappointed at all. This mouse right here, it comes with the weights, which you guys can actually, you know, at the bottom of the mouse right here, it comes with the weights. It's the #1 best-selling mouse in the world, so you guys know they ain't joking around for that. Comes with the latest Hero 25K sensor, which is the best sensor in the market you guys can get right now. It comes with the weight, everybody, that you guys can put in your monitor. You can make the mouse heavier if you guys, you know, want some precise snapshots, or if you guys play fast FPS games, you guys can remove all the weights, as I did it right here with the click of a backside right here. You can just put this thing out, and you guys can put the weights right here. The weights comes in a really good looking case, but you can put the thing, and it's magnetic cap, so you guys can just like, you know, put it right back in. Oh, right there. Oh. On camera it's kind of different thing. Let me just plug it back in. Boom. It's magnetic, so you know all the weights and stuff, so you guys can easily plug it back in. Have a little, there you go. There you go. This is a magnetic cap, so no matter how, you know, slammy you are with the mouse, it's not gonna fall off. Secondly, it comes with the best rubber feet you guys can get for smooth gaming experience out there. And of course, RGB logo. You guys can make a static color if you want. It's all RGB. All the customization for the mouse is controlled by the Logitech G Hub software. Really great mouse. Highly pick it up. Plus, this mouse also have a special edition version if you guys can get your hands on that, which is an even better version of this mouse with even more features. Still, it's a great mouse, especially for Fortnite. I used it personally for like almost 3 years now. It's really amazing. Really amazing. Love this mouse.